Every generation builds tools that promise to change the way we work, to extend what we can do, making humans more capable without turning us into the tools of our own tools. For years, industry has used special-purpose robots designed and programmed to do single repetitive tasks. Now, AI is enabling general-purpose robots that learn, adapt, and become more useful with experience. It's time to put these robots into production alongside people in the places where work happens. Work is where skill becomes craft, where people learn, adapt, solve, and make. And the promise of robotics is to make more room for that, to take on the parts of the job that are repetitive or physically taxing, so people can spend more time with the work that requires skill, judgment, and care. This is what Walden Robotics is building, and what Walden robots are built for. Useful on day one, better every day after. General-purpose robots that empower people to do more of the work that matters to them and to their business.
We are building AI fundamentally differently because of the time we're spending in the factories.
The entire company is built around learning fast in deployment. Our technology is designed so that the robots can show up, are immediately useful, and then learn rapidly to become even better.
Our robots have enabled workers to do more. They're able to focus on the aspects of their job that requires the skills they worked so hard to build.
We're now entering this new paradigm where the robots are helping the people in a way that is going to feel just incredibly freeing.
You see people get this spark of realization and they come up with new ideas, take on new challenges because they have this new support.
As we share more and more about Walden, I hope you'll see the incredible optimism we have about the near future of general-purpose robots. But I hope you also see the responsibility that we feel. I believe in the team. I believe in the opportunity. This is my life's work, and I think the future is very bright.
Because at Walden Robotics, what happens next is not only about the robots we're capable of building, it's about what they make people capable of doing, and asking how to make the future of work more human.